I would like to introduce you to the Videojet 1580 Continuous Inkjet Printer. The 1580 features our Simplicity interface, which is easy to use and offers tools to help you reduce your total cost of operation. Messages can be previewed and selected simply and ready to print. The 1580 features our 1000-line printhead with clean flow technology and modular printhead design. Also, a steel-jacketed cable for harsh environments. Scheduled maintenance for this printer is extremely easy. A smart module that most customers will replace only annually. 2 screws, remove it, put it back on. When the printer starts up, recognizes the new module, and you've completed your 1-year maintenance interval. This printer also features our no mess, no waste, no mistake smart cartridge design for easy fluids maintenance. If you're looking for a robust and reliable printer that helps you manage your total cost of operation, then the 1580 is the printer for you. For more information on the 1580 and a live demo at your facility, please contact Videojet.